Do you know about illite? This is the illite mine located in Yeongdong-gun, Cheongbuk. High purity, high quality illite is mined in Yeongdong-gun, Cheongbuk, formed through two high temperature hydrothermal reactions at elevated pressure and 250 degrees. Due to its superior reserves and quality, it is utilized in various industries, including agriculture, and is recognized as a future resource for South Korea. Illite is a natural mineral first discovered in Illinois, USA, in 1937, and can be found in countries such as the USA, Australia, Canada, and Japan. However, the only place where high-purity illite is deposited is in Yeongdong-gun, Cheongbuk. Illite is a porous substance known to emit far-infrared rays and negative ions, helping to eliminate various harmful substances. It improves soil, neutralizes pH, exhibits antibacterial and sterilizing effects, and enhances crop growth, making it a focus of great interest in agriculture. The company that developed illite as a fertilizer is Cheonji Bio. Utilizing high-purity illite, they developed essential components and functional substances for crop growth at an optimal ratio, and they hold a patent for it. Cheonji illite. It is a fertilizer for soil improvement and crop growth promotion, made based on illite from Yeongdong-gun, Cheongbuk-do, Korea, which is attracting attention as a future natural mineral. It consists of 23% calcium, 5% magnesium, 12% sulfur, 10% silicon, 0.1% boron, 0.1% zinc, 0.1% iron, and 0.05% molybdenum. High-purity illite, mined in Yeongdong-gun, Cheongbuk-do, South Korea, is a mineral that improves soil structure, regulates pH, generates negative ions, and has antibacterial and sterilizing effects. In addition, Cheonji illite contains ingredients essential for crop growth, such as calcium and magnesium, which are effective in improving crop growth and preventing physiological disorder. It is recommended to use 600 to 2,000 kilograms per hectare for fruit trees and open field vegetable crops, and 600 to 2,000 kilograms per hectare for fruit and vegetable crops such as peppers, strawberries, tomatoes, and watermelons. CMS illite. CMS illite is a functional fertilizer developed in collaboration with Cheonji Bio, the Korea Ceramic Technology Institute, and Yeongdong County Council, aimed at improving soil and promoting crop growth. It is a product made of high purity illite with 29.0% calcium, 15.0% magnesium, 5.0% silicon, as well as boron, zinc, and molybdenum. Illite adjusts the pH of the soil and absorbs harmful substances, transforming it into an ideal environment for root growth. Additionally, it prevents and alleviates various physiological disorders in crops while enhancing photosynthesis. It also strengthens the cell structure of the crops, providing a protective effect against diseases. It is suitable for all crops, and depending on the crop and growth stage, it is recommended to use 600 to 2,000 kg per hectare. Illite 22-10-10, illite 17-8-10, and illite 17-6. 6 are basal and supplementary fertilizers containing high-purity illite. Choose and use according to the fertilizer requirements based on the type of crop and growth stage. This product, enriched with high-purity illite, stands out from traditional basal and supplementary fertilizers by enhancing the soil while effectively supplying essential nutrients to your crops. The nitrogen in illite consists of coated nitrogen, effectively regulating its release rate. This product can be easily applied using various fertilizer application machines, including side dressing applicators, making it ideal for delivering optimal nutrition to your crops. Fertilizers contain not only nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, but also common elements such as calcium, magnesium, sulfur, boron, zinc, 5% L-type amino acids, and 10% humic acid. This composition offers outstanding soil improvement effects, enhances crop growth, and effectively prevents physiological disorders. This product is suitable for all crops and can be applied at a rate of 600 to 2 kg per hectare, depending on the specific crop and growth stage. Vita Green. Cheonji Bio's representative crop nutritional supplement is a product made of 100% water-soluble N, P, K, 9 types of L-type amino acids, beta-carotene, vitamin complex, and Cheonji Bio's differentiated functional substances. In particular, its high proline content helps form flower buds and is effective in promoting root growth, reduces various crop stresses, and reduces damage from cold and frost damage. If used consistently from planting until the growing season, it improves crop growth balance and helps produce large quantities of high-quality agricultural products. Since it is a 100% water-soluble product, it can be diluted in water or used as a drench. Keratin K. Keratin K is a high-content organophosphate potassium fertilizer made of 20% phosphoric acid, 40% potassium, boron, molybdenum, fulvic acid, L-cysteine, and betaine, beta-carotene, and is a 100% water-soluble fertilizer. The high content of phosphoric acid and potassium induces vegetative growth into reproductive growth, showing an excellent effect in preventing overgrowth. In addition, beta-carotene, the main ingredient, is a red-yellow natural organic pigment that helps express the unique color of crops. In addition, betaine and L-cysteine have antioxidant effects and help improve fruit storage, marketability, and sugar content. It can be used on all crops, including fruit trees, fruit vegetables, bulbs, leafy vegetables, grains, pulses, and specialty crops. Colorin. Colorin is a product that enhances color of fruits and functions as a bird-repelling stimulant specifically designed for fruit trees. It is made from functional substances such as L-type amino acids, UFGT enzyme, and polyphosphoric acid, which are involved in the coloring processes. By increasing the anthocyanin and beta-carotene content of the fruits, it naturally enhances its color. Additionally, Colorin contains polysaccharides that promotes the fruitiness and aroma of fruits, turning them into high-quality fruits. Colorin also contains Cinnamomum xylonicum, which has a bird-repelling effect. Sugar calcium. Sugar calcium is a functional fertilizer that increases the sugar content and hardness of fruits, enabling high-quality agricultural products to be harvested in large quantities. It is composed of 24% calcium citrate, 5% L-type amino acid, 5% humic acid, 10% stevia, as well as polysaccharides, natural sweeteners, BEM, and trace elements. It is 100% water-soluble, and when used on strawberries or shine muscat, it can increase sugar content by an average of 130% or more compared to conventional cultivation. Since it increases not only sugar content but also hardness, it can prevent fruit cracking and softness symptoms, and also improves storage after harvest. Sugar calcium is available in liquid form and powder form and can be used according to the growing environment. Magic Farm. Magic Farm is a fertilizer specializing in preventing cold and freeze damage. Cell division enzymes called CDKs reduce damage from cold and freeze damage and help with flower bud formation and continuous fruit set. In addition, it contains functional substances such as enzyme complexes, L-type amino acids, and vitamin complexes, which help improve root vitality, balanced crop growth, recovery of growth, and promotion of cell division. Compared to the existing conventional plant, it can be seen that the petals and calyx are stronger, and it also helps to enlarge the fruit through cell division. You can dilute it in water and apply it to the foliage. Supergrow. Supergrow is a functional fertilizer based on an enzyme complex. It has the characteristic of increasing the size and number of cells, making the fruit hard and enlarged. Floral differentiation is improved, and the growth balance of the entire crop improves, especially in the case of continuous planting crops such as strawberries, peppers, and tomatoes. It further improves fruit quality and yield. In addition, it contains amino acids and vitamins, which are effective in promoting crop growth and preventing physiological disorder. You can use it as a drench and refer to the table on the screen for usage method and amount for each crop. Amino CM. Amino CM is a functional fertilizer made of 100% water-soluble nitrogen, calcium, magnesium, L-type amino acids, CDKs, and enzymes. It improves the metabolism of crops and increases their vitality. In addition, it relieves various physiological disorders that occur during crop growth, and CDKs and amino acids reduce damage from cold and frost damage. Calcium relieves calcium deficiency symptoms and increases the hardness of fruit, and magnesium promotes photosynthesis and improves crop growth. In particular, Amino CM is made of a total of 18 types of L-type amino acids: alanine, glycine, valine, threonine, leucine, isoleucine, proline, cysteine, methionine, phenylalanine, aspartic acid, lysine, glutamic acid, arginine, histidine, tyrosine, and tryptophan. Therefore, it can be quickly absorbed by crops, reduces various crop stresses and crop stress caused by pesticides, and quickly relieves various physiological disorders. You can dilute it in water and spray it on the foliage. Superon. Superon is a functional fertilizer made of amino acids, vitamins, a large amount of minerals and enzymes, which helps to enlarge the fruit and prevent overgrowth. In particular, it contains glutamic acid, which activates metabolism in the plant body, improving growth and enhancing photosynthesis. Superon does not simply enlarge the fruit, but also converts vegetative growth into reproductive growth, forming strong flower buds, enlarging the fruit, increasing sugar content, and making the color brighter. Compared to using conventional fertilizers, you can see that the amount of fruit set increases and the fruit grows evenly, and the size, color, and sugar content are high. You can dilute it in water and spray it on the foliage, and refer to the table on the screen for the usage method and amount for each crop. Speed. Speed is a product that helps pesticides penetrate and spread and removes foam that occurs when pesticides are diluted. Its strong penetration and diffusion effect enhances the effectiveness of the drug when sprayed in combination with pesticides, and helps to spread the drug evenly over the entire crop by weakening the surface tension of the spray solution. Additionally, the moistening effect prolongs the duration of the medication. Speed's foam removal effect increases the convenience of farmers using pesticides. When diluting pesticides such as non-selective herbicides in water, a lot of foam is generated, and using Speed helps the foam settle quickly. You can dilute it in water and spray it on the foliage, and refer to the table on the screen for the usage method and amount for each. 777-17-17-17, a water-soluble granular, one-type fertilizer, is perfectly balanced with 17% nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium each. This product also includes essential micronutrients such as magnesium, sulfur, boron, zinc, iron, and molybdenum, providing all the nutrition your crops need for healthy growth. Additionally, with the inclusion of fulvic acid, it improves soil quality and promotes root growth. As a 100% water-soluble fertilizer, it can be used for both basal and supplementary applications, as well as through fertigation. It is suitable for all crops and can be applied at a rate of 600 to 2,000 kg per hectare for surface application, depending on the specific crop and growth stage. For fertigation, it is recommended to use 20 to 30 kg per hectare, depending on the growth stage of the crops. Kelpfish is a liquid FAA high-functionality fertilizer made from fish meal protein, seaweed extract, and potassium sulfate. Rich in essential amino acids, peptides, vitamins, and minerals, this product enhances crop growth, increases biomass content within the plants, and boosts sweetness when applied to crops. It enhances the crop's resistance to environmental stresses, such as frost and cold damage, and it demonstrates excellent effects in alleviating various physiological disorders. According to test results from Kelpfish, it also can increase the levels of antioxidants, such as lycopene. It is registered with the OMRI, the U.S. Organic Materials Review Institute. and is also listed as approved for use in domestic organic farming materials, making it suitable for organic agricultural products. It is suitable for all crops, with a recommended application rate of 2.5 to 4 liters per hectare for foliar spray and 20 to 30 liters for fertigation. EC Clear, made from 70% DPTA, citric acid, and root growth promoting substances, is a functional fertilizer designed to alleviate soil salinity. Soil salinity refers to the accumulation of nutrients, specifically metal ions in the soil, due to the frequent use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides. When metal ions accumulate in the soil in this way, they become unavailable to the crops, ultimately hindering their growth. The DTPA in EC Clear has a claw-like structure that strongly binds to metal ions that cause salinity accumulation, transforming them into a form accessible to crops and addressing the issue of salinity buildup. Additionally, the inclusion of citric acid helps to regulate the pH in the soil, showing particularly beneficial effects in acidified soils, and it also aids in the synthesis of amino acids and proteins in crops. It is suitable for all crops and is recommended to be used at a rate of 25 to 30 liters per hectare for fertigation. EcoKill is an eco-friendly pest control product made from neem oil, herbal extracts, saphora extract, and other natural plant extracts. It demonstrates high effectiveness against problematic pests that occur during crop growth, such as aphids, spotted spider mites, tobacco budworm, brown marmorated stink bugs, and mirid bugs. It exerts its pest control effects through both ingestion and contact toxicity, and as an eco-friendly organic material, it is suitable for use on organic agricultural products. It is also highly effective against bird mites, commonly found in poultry farms. This product is suitable for all crops and can be applied at a rate of 2 to 4 liters per hectare for foliar spraying.